What's up, guys? Welcome back to Izzy DIY
and always occupied.
Today I have my dad with a drone too. How much drones have we had in the past?
Now we had at least 5 drones. If you seen my other channel, Always Occupied, we're going to put this on both channels because this product is at Home Depot, and a lot of my subscribers go to Home Depot, Amazon, Walmart, blah 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 blah, right?
This is a quadcopter drone with Wi-Fi camera. It has Wi-Fi, real-time video and phone, smartphone control, stream video to phone, and VR goggles. So if y'all have VR goggles or like a phone, you can control this drone too.
That would be cool. LED.
Yep, LED.
Navigation lights.
2.4
gigahertz
remote with phone holder.
Cool. Alright, you guys, so this don't say if it does 4K or 1080p.
Yeah.
This is obviously $30, so I'm pretty sure this is not 4K video. But some big features on here that you may want to know. This is altitude hold mode, and it controls up to 328 feet. Operation time is 6 to 8 minutes, and charging time is an hour or 120 minutes. So 2 hours charging time for 6 to 8 minutes. Now I don't know how much or what that mean to anybody. That is a little bit long for charging, and 6 to 8 minutes is not really that long. You do have 4 replacement motors on here. That's what it says is included.
Rotors. That's not.
Oh, rotors. Sorry, not motors. Rotors. Thank you, Izzy. And remote control requires 4 AA batteries, not included. All right, so let's get into the unboxing.
This looks.
Well, we opened it upside down, but that's fine.
This looks so. Alright, let's turn this quickly. This looks so cool.
I popped it up from the bottom because I didn't want to open it from the wings because I don't want the wings to pop off.
Or you can open it.
All right.
Now, this is the bottom. Has some wires and stuff.
So you look like you got the wires, look like the little camera right here.
Then we got the controller to like move it.
All right, so the Sky Rider. Now this is a pretty decent size. All right, you guys. So we got the remote. The first thing that came out the bag was the
phone holder.
The phone holder. So you put it right there.
I'm honestly surprised I was able to figure that out.
We have extra blades. They give you 4 extra blades just in case you run into something.
Yep. And then
the guards. All right, you guys. So y'all give us a minute. I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna read the instructions, and obviously we gotta charge the drones. Boy, so right here look like we have opening. So
hear that?
you push down like that, and it pops open.
Ooh.
So it looks like this is how you charge it. And here goes our charger with a USB. So you obviously need to plug this into the wall so you can use whatever wall charger you have. So they call these the rotors, but we call them wings, okay?
Yeah, we call them.
So these are the rotor. And then they said this is the rotor guard. All right, you guys, so we got the guards right here, and to put the guards on, you need to put it in. It got 3 slots, 3 pins, and all you do is put it in.
Let me try.
And then Izzy will finish the rest. It did provide a little screwdriver.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a screwdriver, this is good for you.
Now
Pull down. All right, you guys. So Izzy went to get some batteries, but right here is the feet for this. So you got 2 holes right here, and you can put it in just like that. Now these are just push in. There's no snap to it. There's no screwing it. So remember, when you flying, these can come off if you hit them. That's it with that, and it stands. It's on feet. All right, you guys. So we have 4. Well, 1, 2. We have a
5.
bunch of screws right
we have
here.
5. Oh no, that's more than 5.
About 7 screws.
Wait, let me count them. That's 5. Yeah, that's 5. No, wait, no. That's 8 screws.
Okay. So this is not magnetic, so this will be pretty much. Oh, it is. It holds on it. All right. So what you want to do is take your screwdriver and screw in your guard. You want to make sure you screw in your guards, because if you don't screw it in, they do come off easy. For the feet, there is nowhere to screw. Everything is hooked up, and we'll see you in 120 minutes. Okay, you guys, so right now they are playing with the scooter, and we got the phone out. I'm ready to hook up. I'm gonna turn the drone on. All right, we turned the drone on. There go the lights. I'm flying the drone, and I have the camera on. My son is flying the drone. All right, so we have the drone out here. Obviously y'all can't see it, but I have the camera on it. And my son is 9, and it's pretty easy to fly. And also I set the settings on it, so that way it won't be tilting to the right or tilting to the left. I forgot what they used to call it. When I used to be in drones, I used to know all this stuff. So the camera is okay, but the quality on it is very terrible. We'll get to that on our final review. We at the final review of the Skyrider. For me, I'm gonna just give a rating of 6 out of 10. One thing I don't like is that they gave you just 1 battery. For me, I think they could have just took the camera off, since the camera quality is not very well. I would say the camera quality is pretty bad. So they could have took the camera off and maybe gave us maybe like 5 more of these. That way we can ride the drone out a little bit longer.
If we get 5 batteries, that's 50 minutes to play for it if you want to use more.
There you go, because it's about 10 minutes to for runtime.
Yeah.
So the runtime is 10 minutes. The camera is not that good.
Yeah,
I actually lost connection. My oldest son, he went up as high as possible, but my camera froze, or the camera on the drone froze, so we lost connection. It was actually hard to connect it Wi-Fi via Bluetooth and all that. So it was also hard to connect it. And that's about it. It actually flies pretty good.
I'm rating this a 7 or 8 out of 10 because first, the camera connection is not that long. Cause the connection, if you're very far from your phone, then the connection wouldn't work. So I really rated it like a 7.5 out of 10. But it's good.
All right. So, do you have anything else? Do you want to say what you don't like or do like about it? No? Okay, you guys. So, that's the end. Our final thoughts for $30. I will honestly say yes, this is a good present if you're giving this to your child. But if you're giving it to a teenager or somebody's older than that, they're not going to have too much fun because they only get this one little 10-minute battery and they get a camera that is like not worth any. Charge time is approximately 120 minutes. That's what it says on the instructions, but I'm pretty sure it's not that long to charge it. But anyways, that's it with the review. So I think it's an okay product. If you get it as a gift for somebody, then a kid will be happy.
Give it to like non-teenagers, like kids.
Yeah. So that's it with the review. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified on products that are coming to both of our channels. Catch y'all in the next video.